Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to repair Valorant error code 1. To start, right-click on the Start menu and select Task Manager. Here, select any Riot process and click on End Task to close its process. After this, in the search box, enter Firewall, select Windows and Network Protection. In this window, click Allow an app through Firewall. After that, click on Change Settings. After this, select the option Allow another app. In the pop-up window, click Browse. You are going to go to the path you see on the screen to choose Valorant. Click on Open and then on Add. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Finally, confirm that both networks are active for Valorant. Click OK. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.